We want to learn about the applications of linear equations in one variables. Those are story problems. The first problem is we have a total of 228 tickets. Those are either adult tickets or student tickets. There are two types of tickets. We don't know the quantity, but there is a relationship between two tickets. The number of students' tickets sold was 2 times the number of adult tickets sold. When we don't know the number, we put it as variable x, unknown number x. We know that the student tickets is 2 times more of the adult ticket. So student tickets are determined by the number of adult tickets. So it's wiser to write the number of adult ticket as X. And then student tickets will be twice more than adult ticket. The total number of tickets is 228. So we established the equation that is x plus 2x equals 228. So that is 3x equals 228, and we have to divide by 3 on both sides. Then x equals 76. In the next problem, we have 3 consecutive even integers whose sum is 18. Even number usually can be expressed as 2 times x. They are saying 3 consecutive even integers is like 2, 4, 6. If we start with 2x, then to get the next number, we have to add 2. So we start with 2x, and then we listed 2 more numbers by adding 2 to the previous one. And we add them up. Then that becomes 2x, 4x, 6x. So 6x plus 2 plus 4 is 6, which is 18. So 6x equals 12. So we divide by 6 on both sides, then x equals 2. So x is 2, and the starting number is 2 times x. So 3 consecutive even integers will be 2 times 2, which is 4, and then 6 and 8. In the next problem, we have an item regularly priced at $68. Isabel bought it on sale for 40% off the regular price. Use a calculator to find how much Isabel paid. Priced item, original price is $68. And then 40% is off. So when we consider the 40% of 68%, we have to multiply by 40 over 100 because percent is out of 100. So we have to divide by 100. So that becomes 68 times 0.4. If you use your calculator, then that'll be 27.2. The price Isabel paid is the original price, $68, minus the discounted amount, which is 27.2, which is 40.8. So the total price she paid is $40.80. In the next example, a bicycle has a listed price of $867.95 before tax. If the sales tax rate is 6.75%, find the total cost of the bicycle with the sales tax included. This time, we have to add the sales tax amount. Therefore, we have to calculate the sales tax out of $867.95. 6.75% is out of 100. So after we convert that to the decimal expression, we have to move the decimal point 2 position. So that becomes 0.0675. And then when you use your calculator, you will get 58.586625. We have to approximate to the dollar and cents amount, so we cannot go further than this. This one is greater than or equal to 5. So we have to write 58.59. What we calculated is a sales tax amount, so we have to add that sales tax amount to the bicycle price. So that is $926.54. In this problem, a chemist mixes 225 millimeters of a solution that is 39% acid with 25 millimeters of a solution that is 19% acid. Answer the questions below. How many millimeters of acid are in the resulting mixture? To do that, what we have to do is we have to analyze the circumstance. In the 225 millimeters cup, there is 39% of acid. In the first cup, in the second cup, we have 25 millimeters of solution. the acid amount is 19%. In the first problem, what we want to calculate is the total acid amount in the mixture. So what we have to do is we have to calculate the acid amount in the first cup, which is calculated as 225 times 39 over 100. In the second cup, the acid amount is 25 times 19 over 100. Then that is 225 times 0.39 plus 25 times 0.19. And so when we add them up, we have 92.5 milliliter. The second problem is what percentage of the resulting mixture is acid? This time, we have to figure out what the percentage of the acid in the resulting cup. Total liquid amount is 225 plus 25, so that's 250. And acid amount we calculated is 92.5. So acid amount is 92.5 over total amount of 250 times 100. Then when you calculate it, that is 37%. In this problem, Dente deposit 400 into an account that pays simple interest at a rate of 4% per year. How much interest will he be paid in the first 4 years? Simple interest related formula is principal amount, which is initial deposit, times annual interest rate, times time in year in this case. So we multiply the principal amount, which is $400, times interest rate is 4%, which is 0.04, times T is 4. So that is $16.